Hey guys, so we're on our way to the store because David wants to shop.
A little bit. Not a lot.
I have $0 and he's listening to Christmas music really loud when I'm trying to film.
Well, you're the one that like Christmas music right now.
I know I do.
I don't much care for it.
He's driving.
Right now.
There's-
So I generally do like Christmas music.
Yeah.
Just not now.
Not now.
Maybe December 1st.
We're about to go to the store and we'll film a little bit more when we get there.
Bye. How much are you? Oh, you're a large.
So we are in the store, David's favorite store. He loves those jeans.
They're not my size. But I would try them on if they were.
Look at the variety. That's all.
There's no variety, man.
Everybody took all the stuff.
I think they should. I tried this on before and I don't think I liked it when I tried it on. Bye. No. It's okay. What I wear. Oh, I have a bump right here. What would I wear this with?
I don't know, but I like it. Just not with the sweats, obviously.
No, of course. Oh shit, I like it. Can I zip it up though? That's the question. Oh, it zips up kind of small. I wonder if they have a size up.
Do you like it? You look like, I don't know, I look like yourself. Oh, I'll try this one. My head's too big for this. I like it. It's kind of cute. How much is it? Maybe it has on as well.